Hi everyone, this is Smart Tech, and today I'm going to teach you what a VPN is and how it works. So what is a VPN? A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network and is known to be a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. Now, how does a VPN actually work? A VPN is the easiest and most effective way for people to protect their internet traffic and hide their identities online. As you connect to a secure VPN server, your internet traffic goes through an encrypted tunnel that nobody can see into. Usually, our digital devices would be connected to the internet through a home router, which then communicates with our internet service provider, also known as ISP, who then gives us access to the internet. When using a VPN, our digital devices are connected through a secure and encrypted tunnel which hides their traffic from entities on the network, only leading to a VPN server which then gives us access to the internet. There are several benefits in using a VPN. First of all, it would hide your IP address and location. It could encrypt your communications. You could watch your favorite content which may not currently be available in your country, allowing you to unblock censored websites as well. Also, almost all providers have applications such as apps and client for Windows, Mac OS X, and sometimes also for Linux. Feel free to check out the following VPN providers on the description below. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use the VPN provider known as TunnelBear, since it offers 500 megabytes of free traffic per month. We will also use an existing website, www.voot.com, which is currently only available in India. And now we will finally move on to demonstrate how to set up a VPN channel through TunnelBear. So let's start. Welcome back guys. I'm now going to download TunnelBear and show you how it works. So let's start by going onto their website and downloading the trial version, which is free, since it allows us to use 500 megabytes of secure browsing on a monthly basis. So let's download that. Once downloaded, we're now going to install the package. And now that we've done that, we're going to put it in our applications. So let's now open it. That's no problem, yeah. That's okay, the application's working. So once we've opened it, we need to create an account with them. So let's do that. Allow the notifications if necessary. So now it gives you a quick tutorial on how to use TunnelBear and the VPN itself. They're asking us to check our account to verify it through our email, and we'll do that. There we go, our account's been confirmed. Yeah. There we go. On the top right, you can now check how many VPNs are available in your region. So let's now try the website. As you can see, it doesn't let us get in because it's not available in our region. Yeah, like as you can see, it only says that it's available in India. So we are now going to turn on our VPN and redirect our servers to the ones in India. Let's see, there we go. So we are now technically in India. We're now connected to Indian servers, so let's try the website again, voot.com. And there we go guys, we are now able to access the website. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below. If you've enjoyed the video, feel free to push the like button and subscribe for more content. See you next time by Smart Tech.